Women with regular menstrual cycles take 28 to 32 days before they get their next period. Sometimes the period may be delayed for various reasons. If this happens with you frequently and you want your periods to arrive a little bit earlier, here are a few remedies you can try to make your period come faster. Number 1, relieve stress. Chronic stress releases cortisol and adrenaline hormones, which disrupt your menstrual cycle. Try to avoid stressful situations. Try to exercise regularly. Try to do some meditation or yoga. Try to find a companion with whom you can be comfortable. Number 2, take in more sunlight. You must realize that if you're not getting enough sunlight, this may delay your periods. This is because of a vitamin D deficiency, which in turn causes a thyroid dysfunction, which causes estrogen level disturbance, resulting in irregular or delayed periods. Make sure you get at least 15 minutes of morning sunlight every day. Number 3, drink parsley tea. Parsley is rich in vitamin C and apiol. These compounds help stimulate blood flow in the uterus, resulting in the regulation of a period if it's delayed. Take 2 to 3 tablespoons of parsley and add it to a cup of boiling water. Leave it for 10 minutes, then strain, and then drink. Do not drink more than 4 cups a day. A good point to be noted is that this tea is not recommended for pregnant women or breastfeeding women. Number 4, have cinnamon. According to a study, cinnamon contains hydroxycalcone, a compound that can balance hormonal levels in the body, resulting in the regulation of the menstrual cycle. Cinnamon also reduces the effect of polycystic ovary syndrome. Just add a teaspoonful of cinnamon to a glass of milk, stir well, and drink daily until your period comes. Number 5, have fennel seeds. Fennel seeds have been used since ancient times to reduce menstrual cramps. They have a tendency to regulate periods as well. Just add 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds into a glass of warm water and leave it overnight. Next day, strain and drink this water. And finally, number 6, consume sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are used in traditional medicines in many ways. They have a tendency to produce heat and regulate blood flow. Mix a teaspoonful of sesame seeds with an equal amount of honey and have it with a glass of warm water. You will see results. All of the above home remedies are meant for healthy adults. Pregnant women and breastfeeding women should not try this. If you have any other health issues, you must first talk to your doctor. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave us a comment in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to share with your friends and family. And once again, if you'd like to stay up to date with all of our videos, please hit that subscribe button and bell notification button.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.